Number 3, throw rugs.
Yes.
I know.
So we go back and forth on rugs in the bathroom because, you know, it can be slick if you step out of a shower or out of the tub on the floor, depending on your floor. So a lot of times we talk to people about a very low profile bath mat, especially with one that's got a rubberized back. But you don't want these thick, you know, fuzzy throw rugs. That's right. Don't want those in the bathroom. Those are tripping hazards. You don't want anything that has any give to it at all. It's got to be very stationary. And a lot of times if you're just moving in and out of the bathroom, I will have clients, you know, pick the bath mat up after they use it.
Right.
If they're capable, safely.
Yeah.
But yeah, something very low profile, something that's got a rubberized back right outside the shower or the tub where you're stepping out.